if you want to examine a simple squamous lining epithelium using a whole mount preparation of an endothelium or mesothelium section, such as this, it is best to use still your 400x magnification so you can see the flattened structure of the cells. And in this preparation, you can better appreciate. So this is a top view rather than a section or slice of tissue. This is a top view or a surface view of simple squamous epithelium. And you can see that the cells are flattened and they are really tightly packed against one another. Okay? In this preparation, the nuclei seems to be absent due to the preparation of this tissue section.